So this says write the equation of the graph. I see here that I have a y-intercept of 1, 2, 3. So I know it's going to have to be one of these. And I know that the difference between here to here is 2. Let's try that one. The following is an exponential function. So I know an exponential function has an exponent that is raised, and it's an x. So let's try this one. Which function has the greater y-intercept? I know this is a y-intercept, this is a y-intercept, that one and that one. So this one looks to be the biggest. And there's my dog who's stuck in the room. Hang on. Alright, what is the y-intercept? I see that it goes through the y here at 3. So let's try the answer 3. Alright, what type of function is this? So, looking at my y's, I see that it's being multiplied by 5. And then 30 times 5. So if it's being multiplied by a certain, I feel like it's going to be exponential. I remember that because there's an x, an exponential for multiplication. So which is the basic form of a linear function? Remember that linear means line, and the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. So what is the basic form of an exponential function? It's going to look like that one right here. Which graph shows an exponential function? This is a quadratic. This is linear. This looks exponential because I remember they're J-shaped curves. Let's try that one. Which type of function is this? Alright, so looking at this, we're going from -2 to -1 to 0 to 1, but looking at our y's, it looks like we're increasing by 0.5 every time. So that looks linear to me. Identify the y-intercept in the function. I believe it's 13. Let's take a look. Alright, what type of function does this table represent? So let's take a look at our y's again. And it looks like we are increasing by 5. And then 15 to 25 is, oh, that'd be 10 and 10 and 10 and 10. So if that's increasing, I believe it's going to be linear. If it was multiplying, it would be exponential. So what type of function is this? Let's take a look at our y's again. Alright, so it looks like we can multiply by 3. 4 times 3 gives you 12. 12 times 3... I don't see a pattern there. Let's say other. Let's see what happens. Quadratic. Alright, let's come back to that one. Wah, wah. Alright, what type of function is this? This one looks like it's being doubled every time, which is being multiplied, therefore it is exponential. Alright. Identify the y-intercept. I think the y-intercept is 2. Alright, let's go back and take a look at this question. What type of function is this? Alright, so it goes from -8 down to -7, down to -5, down to -8765. And then we've got 40, 24, 12, and 4. No, it's not linear. It doesn't appear to be exponential, and I think I hit other last time. So I'm going to have to do a little more research about what makes this quadratic, but I think the answer is quadratic. All right, hope this helps.